Hi folks, for this assignment we are going to be creating a new website that helps explain our improvements on existing technology. Remember, for our ExploraVision project we're going to be looking at different technology for underwater exploration and adding our own ideas for how this technology can be improved. To do that, we're going to make a website to help share out our ideas. To create a website, you have lots of options online. Weebly, for example, and several other websites that let you create free ones. But since you already have a Google account, just click on your grid here, which is your Google Drive, and you can just go here to Google Sites. I'm in Google Sites here, and if you've never created one before, you can click on this one. And you can use a blank template or browse for some interesting templates that are over here, which is kind of cool. I'm going to just start off with a blank one. So let's do a blank template, and you're going to start off by naming your site. For this assignment, I've got a way I'd like you to name your site so that I'm able to give you credit for your site, but also so that we can find your website when we submit our ExploraVision project. So you're going to be adding ExploraVision, BU, and then your student ID number, whatever your student ID number is. To create your website. So just put that in here, and then that will actually become the URL, the web address for your new website. Once you've done that, hit the create button and it'll take you to your website. Now if you've used a template, it's going to look nice and fancy, but sometimes can be hard to location, pick new location, navigate. So you can use a template or use a blank template. Let's see what the pluses and minuses are of each. The required components for your website, no matter what you are using, is to include some images, and there'll be some descriptions here, that you can draw or take a picture of, or you can upload it or use your computer to design it, of your new technology for underwater exploration. So you've done your research, your bibliography, you've discussed how you'd like to improve this technology, and now your website will actually feature your new and improved technology. So you need some kind of image. Either you've drawn it, taken a photo, created a prototype, designed it on your computer. You need information about the different features. So why is this technology better than what we have today? What have you added to it that makes it more effective at exploring underwater, if that's what you're doing for your ExploraVision project? And then why? Tell me the significance, why we should actually bother developing this technology. Okay, so here's my website title, and if I want to add an image, I just go to my edit. Any types of edits I want to make, I can insert all sorts of images. So if I go here, I can find an image from my internet, or I can upload an image of whatever I've drawn and add it there, and I can make that image large or small. I'm going to include some information here. In my home line right here, I'd include the name of my brand new kind of product, the brand new thing I've made. So under, I don't know. And then here I'm going to explain all the different good things about it, right? So we can use templates. You can create your own. Make sure you save it when you're done, right? So that then I can go to this URL up here and actually go to this website. So each of us is going to be creating a website. When you're done, when you go to submit it, right up here, when you click on submissions, you just have to copy and paste in your website. So whatever that website is. And here's an example. I've copied and pasted that website. You can actually go and make sure that that works. Make sure that your website's live by actually going to it. Okay, so again, if it's kind of boring, you can always edit this. You can look at new templates. You can look at new formats, new layouts. You can change around. You can insert tables. You can insert different images. But that's sort of the gist of how it can look.